Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with a delicious Konkani recipe, Hittu. This is prepared in most of the GSB Konkani houses during the special occasion of Ugadi. To prepare the Hittu batter, take about 3 cup of raw rice and 1.5 cup of whole urad dal. Wash and soak this well. Once done, drain the excess water out of the urad dal and transfer that into a mixer jar. And now grind this into a fine batter. Make sure not to add a lot of water while preparing this batter, as we need the Hittu batter to be of idli batter consistency and not too watery. Once the urad dal batter is ready, transfer it into a bowl, and now into the same mixer jar, transfer the raw rice and grind it into a fine batter. Once both the batter are ready, transfer it into a large vessel. Now give this a good mix and cover this and allow this to ferment overnight or minimum 8 to 12 hours. Next, to prepare the khotto, we will be taking 25 to 30 jackfruit leaves. Wash and clean the leaves well and take a dry cloth and dry both the sides of the leaves. Now repeat the process for the rest of the jackfruit leaves as well. Once done, set this aside and now take a bowl with some hot water and soak the coconut leaf sticks in it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now prepare the khotto using the kholli, that is the jackfruit leaves, as shown in the video. First, we take 2 of the jackfruit leaves and secure it with one of the coconut leaf stick. And now repeat the process with 2 more leaves. Once the center part of the khotto is done, now repeat the process for the sides as well. Now secure this as well with some coconut leaf sticks. Now our khotto is ready. Now using a scissor, cut 3 sides of the top of the khotto. Now leave only one stem behind so that it is easy for us to place it in the pedavan or the idli steamer. If you are unable to prepare the khotto as previously shown, you can take one of the jackfruit leaves and make a cone out of it and secure it with a coconut leaf stick. You can alternatively take a steel tumbler and place 2 jackfruit leaves into it to prepare the khotto. Now into the fermented batter, add in 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed, and finally some salt as per taste. Now mix the batter well. Now pour the batter into the khotto and now set this aside. Repeat the process for the rest of the khottos as well. Now take a pedavan and add water enough for steaming into it. Now keep the flame in high and allow the water to boil. Once the water is boiled, place the perforated plate into it and allow the hittu to steam. You can steam cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's done. After about 15 to 20 minutes, to check if it's done, take a toothpick and poke into the hittu. If it comes out clean, then it is done. You can allow it to cool down for some time before serving. Now our delicious hittu is ready. This can be had along with some edigai or Surna pachati. The recipe of the Surna pachati is there in the top right corner of your screen. So do try this Hittu recipe during this Ugadi and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. For more such traditional Konkani recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.